What is up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to take off the rear bumper again for the blind spot error, and we are going to try to clean the contacts of the plugs. So that's why the bumper has to come off, so we can reach the plugs easily. Stay tuned for that. Because of the blind spot error after the rain, I decided to seal the seams of the radar, and inspired by the video of Alex from Legit Street Cars, where he even cleaned the print of the CPU, I wanted to open the box to see if the print was dirty and contaminated, so I could clean it too. And so I did, and you will see it in this video. Whether it's a permanent fix or not, that's what only the future will tell, and I will keep you informed in this channel. Here we are fastening a tool, a drill bit of 10 mm, with some ordinary tape on a tube that is hollow, just to unscrew two nuts in the trunk in order to be able to take off the bumper, like you will see in a few minutes. We have to take out two plastic clips and two screws in every wheel arch, and that's what we are doing here. Then there are two bolts underneath the bumper. And the same procedure on the other side. 2 clips and 2 bolts in the arch and 2 bolts on the underside of the bumper. When there are 2 bolts under the trunk, then we take off the trim of the latch of the trunk, and with the DIY tool that we made, those 2 bolts in the trunk too. Before taking off the bumper, you have to unplug the cables on the right side in the trunk. Now it is time to take off the radar box and to break it open to see how it looks inside. See, there is water coming in here, so we have to seal this all around, and to the print there is nothing you can see. So I completely sealed the print with silicone, and when it is closed I'm going to seal it outside also. So I sealed it with silicone all around. I'm going to put in the plug again and then seal the plug also. So this side is completely done. Now let's do the other side. So this is the box of the driver's side, and you see this one has seen even more water. It shows even here. So let's clean it and let's seal it and put it in again. And of course, don't forget to plug the cables back in. And then putting the retainer clips and the screws back on. This is again a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up. And I will keep you informed if the error is fixed this time. I will keep you informed in the comments below. So you just have to look every now and then to see if it stays away. That error, of course. So if you liked it, hit the thumbs up. Consider subscribing and find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And I will see you in the next one. Peace!